President Kufuor the call retirement. But if the mistake is we say a free say Ghana from 1957. Ebekane yenya president bi awabua Ghana China na Addo Kufuor. Me say a free 1957. Bekane mo form Kwame Nkrumah no mo form.
I believe in Kwame Nkrumah, although I'm UP. Read my lips. You can say it till the next day. I believe in Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah ne John Sokeke. Aya dun so gu kurabam 3 days. Aya ko hwia to aguo no. Eso wo mfaso wo chen na Addo expensive perfume.
Your Kwame Nkrumah, this guy is a fool. I am so ashamed as a Ghanaian that NAPO is also a Ghanaian. I will never sit down for ingrates like this to ever rule me. It's not possible. We were grappling with Bawumia's lies. All of a sudden, you have come in with arrogance.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over. For sale. Mewasem David Imao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Freying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ebusua Agyapong eja enya bedru na no so de ho sensem aba. Aha too much ebusua beso say when you first time Addo video to one de mu a subscribe for my page ni mi Addo man so send am here upload bia so na on sabe to account. Na man for hwe nim say Dr. Bawumia beyi ne running mate for 2024 general election na eba so no na ene Bawumia eyi enipa na wie ama enipo yi no eye Matthew Opoku Prempe doctor na Dr. Efri ahemfie ntino Dr. Bawumia de ne kwakire otumfo otumfo tufo e kan se bebre na otumfo tufo wie ye a omoko lanche NAPO wie no NAPO nsem kan a okaye enama Ghana asoja enkofoni abriye pa na as a matter of fact ensem wa NAPO di nasowe ateno ebusia se e wanka ba now anka wewu NAPO atensem na as a matter of fact me wa hanu se me di update ni nyina bro baby a almost start free ye baby e kodru ye Captain Smart dia wodi aba Black Rasta dia na as a matter of fact honorable Agyapong Agyapong ensu video air trend exactly contrary to their NAPO eka na finally NAPO asamba out e the chop aba e di nchiremu aba say ensem na nkofo kae no enye sa na etie enti aha too much it me so di mu a subscribe my page ni mi Addo man so say na me upload bia so na on sabe to make me trending news spiritual issues and political shows ena me de bro na ye free ase ne ye hwe hawa otufo etifa etu nefo
so me be de makasa ache no wode metu nefo so tunfo se ne ban na na de makasa ache no wode wotu nefo so nanso ma men kan chiro nanso Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe otufo se ma men kan chiro so ma Dr. Bawumia nu no ho so wo yi wo so ma Dr. Bawumia no so yi wo so emane nnu no ho so yi wo o koya no koya sumpa ne di na chi na de obekire wo na wo so ye koya sumpa ho blase ne di na chi ne obekire eno wo so ye so dem no waka ne dem na meka se sa se we odi ka che o dem nso wo kana ase so pa ho blase ko di akire na ye ne kama mame pa ho blase ko di akire na ye ne kama mama ya sitie na de ono ba kire wo na ye sitie ono ba kire wo ye no na oso ye so e ba ye ya se nkrofo bi se wani nso ade me se akolai me tete no ofie ma hunu sa ade enti na na ye kasa so se wani nso ade o sa akora ma tete no ofie den bi kasa so kem de ye ka no media mesa wuti sente sa e ma ne nye ho so wani tete wo ye ka no lo mesa wuti wo so na eubanso anyame tumi nti ubedi akire na bibia ya bompa ya akire na de nyame ahihye ayeho amaye so baso na kopon tumi ya bompa ya de akire ama na kopon do shama o so Dr. Bawumia ka chenza me de na hye nensa Dr. Bawumia otu bo se na kancho wode na no ahye wonsa so bia wonso tete no enfomso bia na beba maso nti na me amentia no wodam bia tete no enfomso bia bia manaso nsi mamonte no ntia no wodam so Ashanti Regional Chairman wosime dana se papa Bawumia ayi wontumi Asante Regina MPP chairman, Utumi, Utu was in Kancho, also what that was papa. So,
that wants to be Biara, Wajana China, and I am about to come up.
Biara, Wajana and I come. So,
Jamie will say the Academy in our Yamaho.
Afe efuto we nyire no ye hwe de we a machopoku prempe e deliver he
Dr. Bawi abere obeba ebi si wa MPP boda Ghana ha ye chechi Ghana abakosoma President Kufuor to call retirement but to be sack case we say a free say ye chechi Ghana from 1957 ebe kan ye nya president bi a wabo Ghana chen na Addo da Kufuor Messi a free 1957 back on there, one form of Kwame Nkrumah no, one form of Obia the one about the Mampania, one book Ghana who buy, and the Ghana call him China Nadu Dankwa Akufuado. Me can say, you're the Jawa, near the Swam, you're the Jano, of us why ye mania kono, it's in Nigeria. Young man, they see 2008 in the big CBO. Chama would be kind of make us so. The Abaya fair, the Abaya Nimonyam, Sanana Dubako, Adako, run over. Not 7 January. What's so on one in your trouble of your son? Many near back. And not my dad to tell you. It was a Juma Papa, no. Dr. Obiaba is Shabuma. Na Ghana day akoda nim me so ya babunu ya branche na wo ha oda chinti to ma Dr. Bawumia kwa Dr. Bawumia bere obeba
na obi enkasa manu but as a matter of fact utie nsemo a NAPO de beto abonten na me personally I think say kasa dodo wo we no enfunso mpem intinu kasa pi na wo ka no e na akofa nsemu aba anase bi a NAPO no onse na nya obi a ye hye da toni no se onye campaign ana obi otumi gina abonten e kasa anything na mankofo enya mfunso anankofo hu se oye mfunso wo ne kasa ye mu na de o ka ye no ye hwe de we a Partisan so e respond ye
hey na wa banie wo kasa nsemi
Kwame Nkrumah ne John Sokeke ya dun so gu kurabam 3 days ye kohwia to aguo no eso wo mfaso chen na Addo expensive perfume we bie adaka no so entime bie wo mbia no ye beto no din NAPO Kwame Nkrumah ne jadan
the battle
ehu akono efe chemu MPP funa wudi go Jubilee House ho no babodam Kwame Nkrumah jadan ne sabie ansama na wo mu no ehu akono efe enu onyam wo ho che sam MPP funa wudi go Jubilee House ho no
the battle has ended
Kwame Nkrumah
Ghana
babodam
is free forever. Fellow Ghanaians.
Babodam. NAPO babodam. NAPO babodam. Kwame Nkrumah. Na wo adie bi te say wo which we can sam mo kofa mo Kwame Nkrumah mra. Wo so fa sa la ilaha illallah bismillahir rahmanir rahim.
They are sick people.
Onuya
yadwene mu wo onua maachi o
Sabie buru sabie nyaado.
onuya
Na senya de aba na de asia. Na kakrama ntimi di ohinanim.
Captain Smart, the king.
And yet, yes, any diaba. Come on, so to be doing in him. Whoa.
ebusia issue de sure kasa hweo men kasa pete was o hwe de we a captain Eddie Hamman NAPO na men jim bi se captain share NAPO face to face e obetima kasa nsem ya kire no hey emu pa de otu ba bia se otu nwa se a ompe politics o kasa be police nsemfu abeto asomo no na black rather so the be face so
Your Kwame Nkrumah, this guy is a fool. I am so ashamed as a Ghanaian that NAPO is also a Ghanaian. I will never sit down for ingrates like this to ever rule me. It's not possible. We were grappling with Bawumia's lies. All of a sudden, you have come in with arrogance to the umpteenth level. I am so hurt, my brother, my sister. When we all said the guy was arrogant, we saw him bowing down before Baumia for full respect. Today, my brother, my sister, he has proven to the whole world that this is a no good guy, that his common sense is very, very common. And at the same time, my brother, my sister, he's a disgrace to people who call themselves doctors. My brother, my sister, your Kwame Nkrumah gave us independence. Nana Akufo-Addo took us back into slavery. Can you compare the two? Today, my brother, my sister, we are running left, right, and center to the IMF and the World Bank, begging. When Kwame Nkrumah decided to give us free education, it was the Busia government that came in and stopped this. Single-handedly. Otunfuo just said, this is my son. He is not a smart politician. He has disgraced the Otunfuo. Otunfuo just said, this is my son. He is not arrogant. I raised him right here in our palace at Manshia. People say that he doesn't respect, but it is not true. He respects. He's a man of dignity. But the wise Otunfuo went further to say, mind you, you do not live by the words of the people that you are truly arrogant.
Na when Nkofo akofa honorable Akompreko Japan interview or some months ago etwem kra no omo dey compare their NAPO ebekai.
I believe in Kwame Nkrumah, although I'm UP. Read my lips. You can say it till the next day. I believe in Nkrumah. Akosombo testers. Just say everything that Kwame Nkrumah did for this country. He was over 200 years ahead of his peers or time. I know where the criticisms will come from, but that is me. I'm not a young man anymore. I'm going to be 64 years. I've done my analysis, my studies, and he is a great man. No doubt about it. We have to emulate him. Okay? And we have to have that drive and dream big, think big, do things big. We tend to give positions to myopic thinkers. Yeah. And the people that you appoint them don't even know how to make money themselves. How can they make money for the government?
Now, Dr. Opoku Prempeh aba out ode inchirimu eba na tinsanka inchirimu ode bano anke dia ensettle issue nyina chopper ode ba ye no yenwe the way peace for responding to chopper NAPO edibeto abontin.
Dr. Opoku Prempeh, presidential running mate of the New Patriotic Party, has justified his claim that no Ghanaian president has ever worked as successfully as President Akufo-Addo.
Abusianfo Dr. Opoku Prempeh NAPO ene de freno na ena anu asemi a wokaye ena na wode enchirimu ebe na wotra se asemu ana opese okane se mampeni bie ni Ghana yabakosemu a waye aduma ete mampeni na Addo danko Akufo-Addo, His Excellency the President. Waye aduma chen wo bia even Kwame Nkrumah mpo waye aduma chen wo.
Okay. Minority.
Woye obi a usua ade ana ase woye obi a weninje politics ho. Na wotinchen na wotie comment bi a efi sabi empanimfo binum wanum ba. Ana wa usha no kura no wa usha no a otenchen no ana hu se o shana usha but wo nimde se ayana no kura ka no yankofo din
said yen
yamfa politics in tonchen petty partisan politics me menhunu liman ene omu eka ho ena esuno said obi anso behu ne diafa ya yansam trafo yes but sometimes who are somewhere to make her. Some penina na do danko Akufo-Addo. Omuntain na ye history mu no ebia ye benya abanponi bia ye betume de na toto no ho. Na wa compare to ono because me said then ne distraction no aya more than ne papa ye.
Mente dia wo kan nyina mente ase.
Na wo be compare penina na do amamuo de ato Kwame Nkrumah ho.
Okay.
Wo be compare penina na do. On time ebia ye history mu no the next na beba no ye benya amamuo bi a wo betumi de compare penina na do. Na nya Kwame Nkrumah. Amamuo a mi ampo metenche ya mi hu se wo ko left you so about etese kwadwofo a wafudua ebu behwe fam a wasi watetale hu besi a wasi obi tadua no no obofam so a wasi tese asaw biala wom watoto no se wo wianam weyi amamuo a wo compare we to Kwame Nkrumah amamuo ho NAPO.
Okay. Already dey so asan confirm say ene dey no krena no.
Some minimum says ano what ye or no on patch on Casa small kaya and can ye on Casana no form yet or best cry testify with impunity or better them. Oh, NAPO dear, so we no we are
Ebusia Ghana ne yewono eto da ebesoko say e comedy ye bre eniema mpoyi amanfo kasa but ebeso prano say the amanfo de omobufu akosi so no enya asembia na prosem na oka ye does it put food on anybody's table na pose na Akufo-Addo aban no better than Kwame Nkrumah aban so obi gira ba bi kan za same way does it take food out from somebody's mouth? Also, politics in Nkrumah, 18 cent pina Nkrumah, they are just looking for something to use as a medium to do their campaign or as something to use as a yardstick to disrespect or to say whatever they want to say. NAPO kind of because NAPO you can't compare another government to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's own, but everything being equal, a political talk. Obi abetma kan the person okebia na no kaya no does it put food on anybody's table or does it also take food from anybody's mouth? Ebusu han me too much it message also do adwen kere ebeto abonte na ye make a constructive criticism na subscribe my page we na me adoma no so na me apology so na onsa ebetumi aka makra